Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author of many books on drawing cartoons, and today I'd like to show you three-quarter view of a character. It is in my book called The Master Guide to Drawing Cartoons. We're going to sketch this out first, like an egg shape, but a little sharper at the bottom. Eye line, center line. I love to do it sketchy. It gives me a lot of freedom. And then I can erase the lines I don't like. Curve the back of the neck. Front neck is a little bit straighter. All right, so we've got this here. You don't want it too far to the edge, otherwise it becomes a 7/8 view, which is not that common, and you don't need to know it right now. All right, so let's put the nose right here, a little curve for the bridge of the nose, like that. And we will bring the orbit of the eye in, and that's that little covering here, this outer bracket that curves in and in here at the eye and out here at the cheekbone, like that. I'm going to bring it a little low here. Bring in the jawline. You don't keep this as the basic look of the front of the face. I'll make it even a little narrower. Bring this line down here. So you're going past some of the original guidelines, which is fine. That's why I keep them sketchy. Otherwise, you feel sort of like you have to keep them, but you don't. You change it any way you like. I'm going to bring this a little bit more forward. Yeah, like that. That looks kind of good. Well, we'll see how it comes out. Nostrils on either side. Like that. And we'll have her looking back. Like almond-shaped eyes here. And we're going to tuck those eyeballs right in the sides. I'm going to just blacken those in. And some nice eyelashes kind of jumping out at the sides, gives it a little energy. Long eyebrows is a nice look. And a little bit of a crease of the eyelid. Now here's the center of the lips, not straight down, but it's around here because it's rounded. So here, we'll make that the center. Of course, very little lip on this side of the line because it's in perspective. I'll make this a little taller. A little curl at the end. You don't have to have a smile, a big smile. Some smiles are more fun if they're just a little subtle. Like that. Just like that. Now, I think this can go, since it's in, out, in, and it can kind of taper down here. Not be quite so round. Yeah, I like that. Now, bring the ear here. We'll let the ear show for this hairdo. Darken that earring. You have a little indication of the interior. And this is called the tragus, believe it or not. And a little shadow down here. I'm going to bring this down a little bit. Darken it too. Yeah, bring it down a little. Darken, make it thicker. Gives a little more, oomph. Oomphl's good. Oomph is always good. Okay, so let's bring the hair a little above, adds a little more height, but the hair never lays completely flat. I mean, it's got thickness, so that's a good idea. And bump it out here to start creating some bangs. And then we're going to bring it back here like this, and I'll put a little hairband back here. We'll shade that in a minute. This and like so. I'm going to bring this in a little bit here so the chin isn't quite so prominent. And darken those eyes to really make them come out. can make this come across the face like this. And bring this down here. And I can make this come down a little bit more like that. A shadow like so. Let me just get some of those lines going. And a little bit of shadow here. And a little bit of shading for the upper lip. And a little, straighten out the lower lip a little bit, the lower eyelid a little bit, because that gives a little bit of expression, and happy expression. The lower eyelid pushes up a bit. Okay, so there it is for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed doing it for you. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you visit next time. Bye-bye.